Do you need sailing experience for a skippered sailing holiday in Croatia? No. Sailing experience is not required. On a skippered sailing holiday, a licensed professional skipper is responsible for sailing, navigation, and safety. Guests are on board as passengers, not as crew. Because the skipper operates the yacht, guests do not need to know how to sail, dock, or handle the boat. There is no requirement to understand sailing theory, local maritime rules, or weather planning. All operational decisions are made by the skipper. Many people confuse sailing experience with sailing licenses. In Croatia, experience and licensing only matter if you operate the yacht yourself, such as on a bareboat or flotilla charter. On a skippered sailing holiday, neither a license nor prior experience is required from guests. Guests are not expected to work as crew. You are not required to trim sails, steer the yacht, or assist with docking. Your role is simply to enjoy the journey, whether that means relaxing on board, swimming, or going ashore. Participation is optional. Some guests enjoy learning basic sailing skills during the week, such as steering under supervision or helping with simple tasks. Others prefer not to be involved at all. Both approaches are completely fine and do not require prior experience. Skippered sailing holidays are designed for people who enjoy the idea of sailing but do not want the responsibility of operating a yacht. They suit beginners, first-time sailors, couples, families, and travelers who prefer comfort, flexibility, and a relaxed pace. To summarize, you do not need sailing experience for a skippered sailing holiday in Croatia. What matters is whether you enjoy shared travel, flexible plans, and experiencing the coast from the water, without having to manage the boat yourself.